I just wish to say that A, I've done this before. B, I don't really care how it turns out. C, at least I'll make a good damn video. And D, I have a lot of wigs and extensions. If you feel that none of those apply to you, do not try this yourself. You will regret it, and your hairstylist will be mad at you, and probably me. So, guys, I'm cutting off my hair again. I haven't cut my hair since last year, March. And recently I felt that my hair ends literally felt like Barbie's hair, you know. It felt like a broom, like kind of like the last 2 inches. So today we're gonna do that. Today we're gonna cut like 2 or 3 inches off our hair to make it look cute, because next week is fashion week and also summer's coming up, and it's really bad. Let's start with this much hair. My hair has been really breaking off in really random pieces, so you could see like I've got really short bits here. Because I am bringing the hair from the back a bit forward, it naturally is going to change the way it lays. So if I decide to cut it straight away like this, when I go to toss it back, the front bit is going to be shorter than the middle bit, ideally. I cut it slightly angled so that the front will be the same length as the back. Obviously you don't really know at what angle, so we're gonna just try to, you know, DIY it. Again, don't take my word for it. Now we're gonna take it like this, and again, we're gonna cut upwards into the hair. Bring the rest of our hair forward. Important thing to remember, have the hair already where it's going to lay. Don't leave this behind the ear, otherwise when you do untuck it, it's gonna be longer. I'm doing my best not to immediately like regret it. Again, I'm kind of angle it a bit upwards. But again, I'm cutting this on myself, so this was a doomed video from the start. But anyways. I'm covered in hair. Let's cut off another chunk of hair. Okay, so now basically we're just going to match the rest of this hair with this length of hair. See? Final piece. Boom! Hello! I'm feeling a lot of bulk over here, which I hate. Like, my hair is very thick. So, here's how we fix it. You lift the hair up. Like so. And then you're gonna start cutting layers into it. Oh, it already feels better. Repeat on this side. Great, now we're gonna straighten it and we're gonna come back and we're gonna try fix it. my haircut. I am shocked that it looks decent. I'm shocked that I can walk out of the house and not immediately have to make like an appointment to get it cut somewhere else. So this is it. I took off quite a bit of ridiculously dead hair. Mind-blowing. Oh my god, I'm covered in hair. But anyways, oh my god, it feels so much better. Like, it looks better, doesn't it? Doesn't it, guys? It looks so much better. It looks, look at it, it actually moves. I know that in the back it is still kind of a bit longer. Again, that is where like the angle would have come in, but again, I did not know what that angle was. I am living for it because A, I love long bobs, B, it's healthier, and C, you know, I cut my own hair. I could say that now. Ah, hi. Cool! I sincerely hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll give something a go, and I will see you in my next video.